kasama yung mga mahal. And yun naman yung pinaka-goal natin dito sa ginagawa natin guys, na we are learning a skill that can add money to our pocket and spend it together with our family. You agree with me? Comment number 5 if you agree with me. 'Di ba? Papasaan pa yung pera? Saan ba naman natin gagamitin 'yan? I know for sure you are here because you want to spend time more with your family soon. So yun yung pag-usapan natin, okay? So ayan, I'll just pull up my slide. I can see guys na marami dito from other countries mga nagko-comment. We have from Bahrain, we have from si Miss Janet Oropesa from Ligao City, Albay. Wow. Nung oras na dito sa Pinas right now, ma'am, no? Gising na gising pa tayo. Sino pa ba? Toronto, 11 AM si Josie Malab, ayan. So kahit nasa trabaho nakikinig pa din 'no. Wow, grabe yung commitment natin. I'm just mentioning few ha kasi hindi ko na mabasa lahat ng mga messages nyo guys. But I truly appreciate it. Lahat kami na-appreciate namin from, sabi ni Miss Joy, from Tanhay Negros Oriental. Wow. Muhays na, si Sir William from Oman, si Honor, Saudi Alish, Hong Kong, 11 PM, sabi ni Sagi Ozog, and sabi ni Arcelita Dianing from Kuwait. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Maraming salamat. And last but not the least, Miss Maida Pascual from Saudi Arabia. Alright? So sa mga magsasabi dito na recording lang tong ginagawa natin sa Zoom, I hope you can see me live na live na live. Nababasa ko po lahat ng mga messages nyo. But later guys, I'll give you a Q&A part mamaya ha. Pero hopefully lahat ng mga questions nyo masagot ko na along the way sa webinar natin. And this is just gonna ano lang, this is gonna take our time ano lang mga kahit 5 minutes and 5 hours. Okay? So bibilisan ko lang sa 5 hours na yan, siguro aabot tayo mga around 11 na kasi ngayon, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 AM, kaya pa ba? Gising pa naman siguro lahat, no, by 4 AM. So, ano lang, agwanta lang, agwanta. No, guys, kidding aside, it's just gonna be so quick. 1 hour lang po, 1 hour to be exact, no? So, I hope na hindi muna kayo mag-leave. Kasi, bakit, no? Bakit? Mamaya i-announce ko sa inyo on how you will win an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yes, you heard it right. iPhone 17 Pro Max and the BYD Seal, no? So, sino dito gusto ng magkakotse? Makikinig ka lang, pero magkakakotse ka pa, no? Sino ba namang ayaw nun? Ako, kahit ako personally, pinagpe-pray ko na din yun. So, guys, let me pull up my slide. So, wag kayong mag-ano, wag kayong mag-leave kasi mamaya aalamin natin kung paano nyo mapapanalunan yun. Alright? So, I'll welcome you guys to our 2-day challenge for Forex and for Forex beginners, no? So, today is our day 1. I hope tomorrow the same number of people will still gonna show up. So bukas mas exciting din bukas, no. Pero hindi pwedeng i-skip to ngayon kasi baka bukas malilito ka kung hindi mo malaman kung paano to gagawin today. Okay? So guys, pag-usapan natin right now sa forex trading on how you will earn dollars. Grabe guys. Do you believe? Hindi talaga maniniwala ka kasi right now kahit i-search mo yan, 61 pesos na po ang palitan ng dollars, US dollars to peso. And I know for sure if OFW ka, ang laking tulong nun, 'di ba? Naalala ko dati pag mataas yung palitan, sobrang tuwa ng tatay ko kasi from Saudi nagtataas din yung ano, nagtataas din yung real, 'di ba? Pag ano, pag mataas yung US dollars. So, lahat tayo right now, kung meron lang chance na kumita ng US dollars kahit nasa Pinas ka, do you love that idea? Ako kasi sobrang gusto ko 'yun eh. I don't need to go to US, no? I don't need to go to United States of America just for me to earn dollars. Dito pa lang habang nasa Pilipinas ka, compared ha, na-realize ko guys, compared going abroad, malaki yung expenses doon, malaki yung budget mo sa stay, 'di ba, sa mga taxes and everything. Yes, dito sa Pilipinas nagmamahal na din. Pero kung ikukumpara mo, kung kitaan mo is dollars, pero yung gastos mo is peso, sobrang laki pa din ng difference. Kasi, 'di ba sabi nga, pag OFW ka, malaki tingnan kung i-convert mo na kung lahat ng yun ipapadala mo sa Pilipinas. Pero hindi eh. You get to spend money while you're in the US, no? Or nasa UAE ka, ganun pa din naman yung gastusan. Pero how about we learn a skill na puwedeng kitain kung ano yung kinikita na nasa abroad habang nasa Pilipinas ka lang. Yun yung pinaka naging inspirasyon ko din guys kung talagang bakit ko tinutukan at inaral talaga si forex trading kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag-abroad pa para kumita ng USD. Okay? So for the background guys, hindi po to AI tong picture namin ni Coach Marge. So if you just check me out, so this picture was taken last kailan ba to? I think April 7, no, April 7, yeah, around April 7. This was on our event. So merong traders event sa Thailand and we're truly grateful kasi nasama kami doon. And for the background, no, natapos ko po ay IT. So malayo konti dito sa ginagawa natin. And right after going sa school, after college, I went full-time nasa pagiging entrepreneur. At dahil merong naipon konti bilang isang negosyante, napasok ko din si forex trading. It's just that sobrang, I would say, hindi tayo pinalad initially when I was still starting. So marami ako pasukan na scam, meron ako napasukan na basta hindi ko na maisa-isa, no? But siguro I would say it was a blessing in disguise. Kung meron man dito nakikinig right now na yung unang encounter mo is hindi maganda, I'd like to encourage you na tapusin mo tong webinar na to because this is us redeeming ourselves. Kasi para sa akin, naging blessing in disguise po siya. Naging blessing in disguise po siya kasi ang nangyari is mas nakilala ko si forex trading, mas natuto ako sa pagkakamali ko, and there's nothing wrong with that. So, kung meron man sa inyo na gano'n yung sitwasyon, ang dami mong feeling mo, um, hindi mo na deserve yung magandang buhay kasi sa pagkakamali mo sa mga bagay-bagay. But I hope you understand, lahat ng hindi maganda, parte yun para mas makita mo at mas makuha mo yung magandang buhay. Okay? So, guys, just a reminder, okay? Just a reminder. Forex trading involves significant risk and hindi siya suitable sa lahat, okay? I believe na after this webinar, if you feel like hindi ito para sa akin, it's okay. At least you tried. At least sinubukan mong intindihin. Okay? But if you prefer not to engage right after, okay lang yan. Kasi naiintindihan namin sa simula pa lang na hindi talaga to para sa lahat. Because it's a high risk, high reward business. Okay? So dito guys, hindi pwede mahina ang loob. And past performance is not indicative of future results. Anong ibig sabihin nito guys? Ibig sabihin na kahit nakikita nyo may kumikita diyan, may mga may milyon no sa forex trading, it doesn't mean na guaranteed yun din yung mangyayari sa inyo. Kasi again, okay, it's a high risk, high reward business. Meaning, malaki ang potential na kitaan, okay, na profit or income, pero kailangan itong aralin. Hindi ito pindot-pindot lang, yayaman ka na. Okay? Hindi to hula-hula lang guys at lalong-lalo na hindi ito sugal. Okay? This is skill-based. Skill-based po to. Para ka lang nag-aaral na mag-drive. Sa una, delikado, yes, pero pag natutunan mo ang rules, nagiging controllable na ang situation. So same with Forex, no? Along the way, habang natututo ka, you can manage risk. Alright? So ito po yung pag-uusapan natin tonight. Okay? So right after this webinar, ano ba yung expectation natin? Number one, maiintindihan nyo na kung ano si Forex. Number two, kung paano kumikita dito. Number three, ano yung mga terms na dapat mong alam. Number four, ano yung apps at brokers na ginagamit. Okay? And last but not the least, is paano magsisimula bilang isang beginner. So stay until the end because meron din po akong assignment sa inyo kasi bukas mas exciting. Okay, bukas mas exciting kasi it's more of trading na talaga bukas. So kailangan muna tapusin mo to kasi baka nga ka na bukas. So no shortcuts, okay? So no shortcuts tayo diyan. So proceed na tayo, okay? So before muna tayo pumunta sa pera guys, I want you to understand that trading is a skill. Okay? That means, sabi dito, can you read this with me? Sabi dito, etong mga underline guys, it takes at least a year to consistently make money from trading. Okay? 6 months is the quickest. Okay? Most take longer. I hope you understand na itong pag-aaral mo ng trading, this is not just something na overnight mo siyang makuha. Okay? Hindi siya ganun. Hindi siya click-click lang. Okay? So, may tamang proseso. It's the same thing with, ano ba? Parang culinary school. It can take months for you to learn, but right after that, at least, you've built a skill, something that can add money to you. But later guys, isi-share ko sa inyo bakit sa community natin merong zero knowledge pero after 1 month naging milyonaryo. Hindi naman lahat guys may natatalo din Losses are part of the journey. Okay? So may iba kumikita ng malaki but mostly I am just really proud because most talaga sa community natin in just 1 to 2 months natututo na sila. Okay? And I do appreciate na $5 lang yan, $10 lang yan, $2, $1. Importante, imagine the span of time na inaral nila to at natuto sila. Kasi according to study, it will take you at least 6 months the quickest. Bakit sa community natin, 1 month pa lang natututo na? Bakit sa community natin, 2 months pa lang kumikita na? Okay? So, yan yung isi-share ko. Pero, ito yung gusto kong i-emphasize sa inyo. Okay? Meron tayong roadmap. Okay? Gusto ko mong maintindihan nyo na ang Forex is hindi lang po charts. Okay? May 5 stages ang trading journey natin. Number 1, napaka-importante ang mindset. Okay? Bakit importante ang mindset? Kahit bigyan ka ng magandang strategy dyan, pero madali kang sumuko anytime pwedeng mawala ka sa trading journey mo. Okay? Sa mindset, dito nagsisimula lahat. If ang isip mo is easy money, mabilis ka lang madi-disappoint. Okay? If ang isip mo is willing to learn a high income skill, dito guys, magtatagal ka. Okay? So, hindi pwede strategy lang. Ang importante, tama yung isipan mo para magtagal ka sa pagte-trading mo. Okay? Pangalawa, mechanics. Need mong aralin ang mga technicalities. Number 3, market structure. Ano ba yung galaw ng market? Paano ba siya gumagalaw? Number 4, need mo ang strategy. Okay? Sorry, okay. May natatabunan ba? Okay, sorry. Need mo ang strategy. Sorry guys iyan ko lang. Wait lang baka lang na ano ko pag-share. Wait lang hold on. Okay. Sorry. Meron akong concern sa pag-share. Dapat pala ganyan. Okay. Mas ano na ba? Wala na bang lumalabas na ano? Alright. Sensya nyo na guys grabe si Sir Noel naka-take note. Yun talaga yung maganda. Yun yung magtatagal sa trading journey nila. Nakasulat. Yun yung maganda, guys. Number 4, again, method. Need mo ng strategy. And last but not the least is mastery. Okay? Practice hanggang maging consistent ka. Okay? Kaya po sa mga andito na gusto lang kumita agad, no? Gusto nila easy money, ako na po magsasabi sa inyo. And this is coming from the heart and honest to goodness na usapan to. Okay? This business rewards the patient learner. So kung mabilis kang mainip, kung gusto mo ng mabilisan, hindi ka magtatagal dito. Baka nga matalo ka lang eventually kasi nagmamadali ka. Okay? So ngayon pa lang tatapik na kita. Okay? I hope that reminder lang yan sa atin dito. Alright. So guys, moving forward, ano ba talaga si Forex? Okay? Si Forex po is a global place where you exchange money, where you buy and sell currencies. Okay? So it's also known as currency market. Okay? So meaning po ng Forex is foreign exchange. And parati po natin tong nakikita. Okay? Saan ba natin to nakikita? Familiar dito? Lalo na sa mga OFW, sa airport, no? Mga bangko, ginagawa din ito. This is the traditional way of forex trading. Okay? Bili ka, benta, bili, benta, benta, bili. Ganun. But, kung dito ka lang tatambay, guys, you cannot access everything. Actually, sa Forex kasi, hindi lang currencies. Pwede ka din sa oil, pwede ka din sa gold, pwede ka din sa silver. Marami siya. So, kung sa traditional way ka, hindi mo ma-access yun. Imagine mo, dala-dala mo oil, dala-dala mo silver, gold, punta ka sa currency exchange, mapapalitan mo to. So, ibig sabihin, kung nasa Manila ka, kailangan ka pang pumunta ng Ongpin para mag-gold naman doon. Saan ka ba pupunta pag oil yung mo, i-exchange mo? Punta ka ng Shell, Petron, dala-dala mo ng currency, no? So, hindi ganoon. Pero, ang maganda dito, guys, pag-usapan natin is global, okay? Sir Lazaro Titus Job Torres, BS Cream, February, 33. Hindi po to recording. I believe that you are late, okay? So, I hope na sa lahat ng mga late dito, sana lang po wag po kayong masyadong magpahalata na late kayo. Kasi sila yung mga marereklamo, guys. Sila pa yung mga demanding. So, please lang sa mga late, meron na po kaming mga napag-usapan kanina. So, sana you go with the flow na lang, and meron naman tong recording, panoorin nyo na lang to. Please, okay? So, thank you so much. All right. So, moving forward, guys, okay? Si Forex trading po is just part of the, how do I say this? The whole industry on the financial market. Okay? Meron tayong crypto. Crypto is legit, guys. Crypto trading is legit. Stock trading is legit. Bonds is legit. Okay? But you need to understand, lahat ng yan, isa lang yan sa financial markets. Pero, ang pinakamalaki dyan, did you know that it's forex trading na nasa around 7.5 trillions of dollars ang traded every single day. Yes, hindi siya 7.5 trillions of dollars per month, but per day. Ito po yung pinaka-richest industry in the financial market. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Okay? Kasi each country merong currency. Okay? So you need to understand that. So imagine, you are already right now in the richest industry. Okay lang, Sir Titus, no offense, okay lang yun. So, sana guys, I hope you appreciate that you're in the richest industry right now and you're learning it. Okay? Ako kasi na-excite ako nung narinig ko yon. Richest industry. Wow, I'm in the right room. I'm very proud to myself this time. Ito na yung pinag-uusapan. Dati kasi lang mga puro Netflix lang. Wala pa palang Netflix noon. Ano pa lang yun mga pa lang, mga bagay na umuubos ng oras na hindi naman tumutulong na pagkunan ng pera, 'di ba? So, moving forward, ito yung basic 'no, yung traditional way. Kung meron kang $1, okay, at 57 pesos, tapos nag-change or tumaas yung palitan naging 58. So ngayon may kita kang ₱1 if you have $1. Pero kung meron kang $100 guys, kahit ₱1 movement lang 'yan, imagine meron kang ₱100. Can you imagine if $1,000 meron ka? Can you imagine if meron kang $1 million dollars? Every movement niyan, every taas niyan, sobrang laki. The last time I went to Dubai, last year, nasa around ano pa lang yun eh, last October, 56, 57. Imagine right now, nasa 61 na. 58, 59, 64. Imagine if meron kang $1,000 in just span of few months kaysa ilagay mo sa bangko, nag-trade ka lang dito, 'di ba? Pero this is the traditional way, okay? This is the traditional way. All right? Wow, we are already 504 attendees and I see heart comments diyan sa comment section natin, guys. Dami na natin, 504 attendees. Let's go. Okay. Proceed tayo dito, guys. Ang question lang dito sa traditional way, if bababa yung price, makaka-profit pa din ba ako? Kunwari, binili mo at 57, tapos kinabukasan naging 56. May kita ba ako? Of course, no? In a traditional way, pag-usapan natin right after my next topic, okay? Balikan natin 'to. Bibitinin ko muna kayo sa parte na 'to kasi may gusto akong isingit muna, okay? Mamaya sagutin natin 'to, okay? So hold on muna guys. I see heart comments. Thank you so much. All right. Now, moving forward, ito din pala yung reason guys, no? Bakit maraming pumapasok sa trading pero hindi sila nagso-survive? Bakit marami pa ding natatalo? Ano sa tingin niyo yung rason? Okay? Gusto kong marinig sa inyo. Ano sa tingin niyo yung rason kung bakit maraming nagta-try, nag-a-attempt sa forex trading pero bakit hindi sila nagso-survive? Yes, tama. Because most people enter forex trading with the wrong expectation. Akala kasi nila deposit, click, instant dollars. Okay? Kaya kanina sabi ko sa inyo, tanong ko sa inyo, what if bababa? Anong mangyari? Okay? Guys, remember, 95% fail because number one, walang proper education. And that's according to research ni Dr. Dinesh Sharma. Number one, wala talaga education. Number two, walang system. Okay? Number three, ito pa, puro signal hopping. Sino dito, pag nakikita may nagpo-post about signal, nag-aano sila, nag-a-attend sila ng mga signal, hindi naman nila naiintindihan why kung bakit nila i-place yung signal na yun, 'di ba? Sino dito guilty diyan? Ako personally guilty ako diyan, guys, 'di ba? Hanap ka ng signal, ang daming nagko-comment, nag-profit, pero pag ikaw na nag-loss ka na agad. Kasi nga gusto mo mabilisan, hindi mo naiintindihan kung anong nangyayari doon. I have nothing against signal. Importante lang is the right foundation, okay? Kailangan mong maintindihan yung signal na yun. Confirmation yun. Make it as your confluence, okay? Number 3, greedy ka. Next is greedy ka, emotional ka. So, guys, parang ano lang, parang gusto mo lang magdoktor pero ayaw mong mag-aral. Parang gano'n siya, no? Yung nangyayari. So, pwede ba yun? Hindi siya pwede, no? Same thing with trading. Hindi siya pwede may shortcut. Ang good news lang is 5% who succeed are not special people. They are just properly guided. Okay? Again, ulitin ko. Ang good news is, sa 5% na yan, bakit sila nagsasucceed ng mga traders? Because these are not special people, ha. Hindi sila yung magaling, hindi sila yung pinakamatalino, but they are just guided properly and they invest in education. Okay? So, I hope that is clear with you. Sana kasama ka sa 5%. Okay? Now, another misconceptions about forex trading. Kasi guys, kung until now, meron pa to sa isipan mo na scam si forex, sugal si forex, mahirap aralin ang isang bagay na ikaw mismo nagdududa ka. 'Di ba? Mahirap aralin ang isang bagay na mabigat sa puso mo na hindi ka pala sure kung ano ba, kung totoo ba 'to. Tama ba? Tama ba? So, honest question, okay, honest question, ilang beses yun ang narinig na scam si Forex? Sugal si Forex, 'di ba? Nalugi pinsan ko diyan, 'di ba? Yes, si Forex in itself is not a scam. Again, Forex is simply the foreign exchange market. Pinakamalaking na financial market sa buong mundo na nagpapalitan ng pera. Okay? The banks use it, governments use it, okay? Businesses use it. Okay? So ibig sabihin, hindi talaga scam 'to. Kasi kung scam 'to, sana hindi na natin nakikita 'to sa mga bangko, 'di ba? Ang scam lang is ito. I just want to make this clear. Bakit nagiging scam si Forex? Number one, dahil sa tao. Dahil ginagamit din 'to ng mga taong walang puso na gustong mangloko sa mga lalo na sa mga kapwa nila Pilipino. Kasi madali lang din tayong ma-hook, eh. Gusto natin yung easy money. Pagsabihan natin, "Oh, walang talo dito." Yun yung pinakapaborito natin, 'di ba? You agree with me? 'Pag sinabi dito walang talo, 'di ba? Sundin mo lang yung signal. Naku po, 'pag ganyan na, kabahan ka na. Hulbaan na kaana, 'di ba? Tumakbo ka na lang. Kasi 'pag ganyan guys, over promises yung nangyayari. Yung 100% walang talo, naku mas kabahan ka na diyan. Okay? So be very careful kasi may mga tao talaga na ginagamit ang mga ganitong bagay sa hindi tamang paraan. Lalo na 'pag sinasabi sa'yo, "Sige bago ka kumita dito sa forex, mag-invite ka muna." Wala pong gano'n. Okay? Sa forex kahit hindi ka mag-imbita, kahit hindi ka magbenta 'no, puwede kang kumita, puwede mong ma-withdraw yung pera mo, okay. So, make sure na klaro sa atin 'yan, okay. And sugal, sugal daw si forex or haram lalo na sa mga Muslim brothers and sisters natin. You need to understand guys that forex moves because of the exchange of currencies, okay. Ngayon, ibig sabihin, bakit mataas si dollars? Kasi merong hindi magandang nangyayari sa Pilipinas at tayo as Pinoy, dati natutuwa ako. But right now, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi ano na bang nangyayari sa gobyerno natin. Kasi even what happens in our government, what happens in our economy, yan po yung reason kung bakit gumagalaw si forex trading. USD to Philippine peso, kaya may 61 peso na value coming from 55, 56 dahil yan sa nangyayari sa gobyerno. Dahil yan sa nangyayari sa economy natin. Okay? All right. Now, nawala ba ako? I hope that I am clear. Okay. Yes. All right. Hello, hello. Okay. Comment number 1 guys if yes. Meron na. Okay. Kasi parang nag-unstable ako guys. Ulitin ko walang invite sa forex trading, okay? Wala dito yung bago mo makuha yung pera mo, kailangan mo munang mag-invest ng ganito, okay? So, klaro sa atin yun. And, again, the movement of the market depends on what's happening in every country. Okay? Kasi every country has a currency. So, ibig sabihin, compared sa sugal, ang ang sugal kasi, yung developer yung kalaban mo. So imagine yung nag-develop ng app ng sugal na app na 'yan, sa tingin mo papanalunin ka niya? Probably yes, but later on chances are matatalo ka din kasi sila yung nagko-control sa algorithm niyan. Sa trading kasi ang daming andiyan, okay? Lalo na sa forex trading, no? Currency to currency kasi hindi siya gawa-gawa lang ng tao. So that's in between different countries na currency nila. Okay? So I hope that I am clear. Okay? All right. So guys, ito pala yung event na na-attendan ko last October sa Dubai, and I'm just truly happy and grateful na na-experience ko yun kasi ang daming iba't ibang lahi nandun, even the locals in Dubai, they were there. Also, na-challenge ako, sabi ko, konti ng Pilipino, ang konti ng Pinoy. Next time, sana marami na tayo. Sana next time, hindi lang tayo pang Pinas, no? O hindi lang tayo pang OFW na quality, no? Kasi I mean, I have nothing against that. I'm just really proud. But I hope one day na isipin ng maraming tao, pag Pinoy ka, trader ka, 'di ba? Pag nasa ibang bansa, oh, you're a Filipino. So you do trading, 'di ba? So always yun yung parang concept nila, hindi yung sad to say, I mean, mas ano nila parang ang tingin nila sa Pinoy is mas mababa. This time, this time I'm looking forward to a generation wherein hindi na nila mamaliitin yung mga Pinoy kasi this time tayo naman ang may alam. Hindi na tayo bulag sa mga ganitong bagay kasi hindi naturo to sa eskwelahan eh. This time, at least alam na natin kung paano. So, I hope one day lahat ng andito, you will be a bridge. Kung hindi man kayo, yung anak nyo, yung kapatid nyo, yung pinsan nyo, na maturo nyo sa kanila na tama, na meron palang forex trading, meron palang trading na legit at kaya nating i-access at aralin. Okay? And did you know that that event was even awarded as the largest in the world na event? So that happened. So imagine na Guinness World Records pa yun. And I think meron na naman sila this September, nakita ko sa Dubai. So I hope we can see each other there. All right? So next, ayan. So all right. Now, ito na tayo. Balik tayo dito, guys. Ito yung pinag-usapan natin kanina. So, if the price goes down, will you still make money? On the traditional way, guys, hindi. You need to hold until, okay, kung 57 binili mo tapos naging 56, you need to hold until gumanda yung presyo. Okay? So, ang maganda lang dito sa sa global market, okay? Tuturo ko sa inyo yung mga apps to access it globally, okay? Ang maganda kasi sa global market, we have the buy and sell position. So dalawa siya. So ibig sabihin, even if the price is going down, you can still make money. Hindi ibig sabihin na bumaba, wala ka ng kita. Okay? So kunwari, sa global market kasi, hindi ibig sabihin kailangan mo munang mag-buy tsaka ka makakapag-sell. Hindi. Automatically, if you feel like or if hindi pala feel like, mali yun kasi ramdam mo lang. But if your forecast it's going down, then you can automatically sell and ride on the movement sa market. Hindi mo na kailangan munang mag-buy. Kahit sell ka na agad, kahit buy ka na agad, pwede ka nang kumita doon. Pwede mo nang pagkakitaan yon. So si buy position pala guys, it means you are forecasting that the market is going up. Other term for buy, okay, listen to this. Other term for buy is bullish, bull, or long. Okay? So that's other terms for buy. Okay? Sell naman, other terms for sell, you are forecasting that the market is going down. Other terms are short, bearish, or bear. Okay? I hope that you take note of that. Okay? So, next. Okay. Other terms to remember, take profit or TP and stop loss or SL. Okay? Si take profit po, okay, once nakapag-buy ka na or nakapag-sell ka na, ito yung target mo na price na hanggang dito lang, if hanggang dito lang, okay na ako. Pwede nang mag-close yung trade ko. So, kunwari, ang goal mo is maka 10 pips ka lang or let's just say sa ano na lang is $100, no? Let's just say, pwede mo siyang maset na automatically nag-entry ka, automatic, magko-close yan once na-hit na yung target mo, kahit tulog ka. Okay? So, hindi necessary nakatutok ka. Okay? Si stop loss naman, okay? This is your protection. Bakit naman protection? Ang nakakakaba naman yung stop loss. This is your protection, guys. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, 'di ba? There is no such thing as 101% profit sa trading. So this part protects your capital na computed at calculated na din yung risk mo na just in case whatever happens, hanggang dito lang yung kaya kong ipatalo. And automatic mag-close. Importante, buhay yung capital mo. Buhay yung account mo. Kasi araw-araw open ang market. So you need to remember as a beginner, okay? As a beginner, importante magka-profit. Pero, importante din na buhay yung account mo, na andyan yung capital mo, na kahit matalo ka today, kaya mo pang mag-enter sa market kinabukasan kasi hindi pa naubos yung pera mo. Okay? So, that's where stop loss comes in. Okay? So, at least protection siya. Okay? Eto guys, question ko sa inyo, anong position ang tinrake ni trader dito? Is it a buy or is it a sell? Sige nga. Sa natutunan nyo, ano ba? Sell, buy? Guys, are you still there? Sa 519, let's go! 519 attendees, wow. Sell, okay? Now, share ko sa inyo. This is where the trader puts the entry. So, dito siya nag-sell. Ang stop loss niya is nasa taas kasi this is a sell. But this is just the basic muna guys ha. Kasi may tinatawag din tayong trailing stop. So, si entry, ito yung goal niya. Kasi si sell is you are forecasting that the market is going down. Okay? So, pababa, pababa. Ito yung take profit 1, ito yung take profit 2. Nung umabot na dito yung price at the target price, magko-close na yan. Pag inabot pa tong take profit 2, etong part na to, magko-close na din to. Okay? So, make sure before you entry a trade, meron ka ng calculated na target 1 at target 2. Okay? Now, pangalawa, ito, what do you think is this? Klarong-klaro that this is a buy. Okay? So, si stop loss is nasa baba. Si target profit is nasa taas. Okay? Take profit 1 and take profit 2. Okay? Now, let's proceed, guys. What are the types of market analysis? How do you analyze the market? Kasi sabi ko nga, hindi to swerte-swerte. Hindi to sugal na swerte lang yung basis mo. So there are 3 types. It can be sentimental, it can be technical, it can be fundamental. Fundamental is more on the economic and political factors, no? Kung anong nangyayari sa bansa. Number 2, technical is more of the volume of the market. Okay? More of the patterns na nangyayari, structures na nangyayari sa market. Okay? Pag wala kang analysis na ginagamit, anong tawag doon? Hula-lisis. Hula-hula lang. Pag hula-lisis, yan, sabi ni Sir Adrian, gambler ka. Nako, yan yung rason kung bakit ka natatalo. Wala lang, nanalo ka nga, pero hindi mo naintindihan. Ang tuwang-tuwa ka. Sabi mo, MJ, alam ko na kung paano, nanalo ako. It doesn't mean na nanalo ka, naintindihan mo na. Kahit natalo ka, okay lang. Importante, kailangan naintindihan mo din. Okay? So, guys, ito yung ways to analyze. Okay? But there are other times for us to discuss this even further. But ngayon kasi basic lang. Baka mag-nosebleed na kayo pag i-deeper ko pa yung pag-uusap natin ito. So,
nandito lang pala ang pera.
Moving forward, guys, I'd like to share also one successful classmate that we have here in our community. She's a teacher in Thailand and sobrang tuwa ko kasi pumunta siya ng Cagayan de Oro just to meet us. Sobrang tuwa niya din. Panoorin natin kung ano ba yung ginawa niya, bakit siya kumita dito sa forex trading. So, let's watch this.
Nandito lang pala ang pera. So, bakit pa ako magpagod?
Hi Pips, may interviewin naman tayo from our community fresh from Thailand, Miss Mine. Kamusta naman yung trading journey mo?
Ang dami kong natutunan. Ganado ka kapag natutunan mo na isang bagay na gusto mong matutunan, lalo na pag nag-take profit ka na. Every time na mag-trade ako, may kinita ako.
Wala pang 1 month sa trading journey mo, bakit ka nag-resign? Kasi hindi lahat may lakas ng loob na gano'n na hindi na uwi na ako ng Pinas.
Kasi in just 4 days, kumita ako ng 6 digits. And naisip ko, ba't ako magpagod for 1 month at ganito lang ang kinita? Ilang digits lang? 4. Sabi ko, ganito lang pala ang pera. So, bakit pa ako magpagod?
So, ibig sabihin, nakatipid ka pa ng oras. Kaysa yung oras mo, ubusin mo ng ilang taon, tapos ganito lang yung kita mo. Ngayon, days lang, kinita mo yung isang taon na effort mo. Actually guys, humble lang to si ma'am, pero 7 digits na yung kinita niya dito sa 1 month mo na journey. Kaya talaga from zero knowledge to 7-digit income.
Yes, walang imposible kasi walang bagay na mahirap kapag talagang porsigihin mong matuto. Everything can be learned. Kung kumita ang iba, why not you? Of course, you start from the basic. Mastery muna bago ka sasabak sa live trading. Demo muna, mag-build ka ng confidence sa demo. Itong Pinoy traders, ginamit ni Lord para ako makonect sa legit broker. So, ngayon, connected ako sa world market, makapag-trade ako anytime. Para sa mga taong talagang nagnanais na magkaroon ng financial breakthrough, then this is the right business for you.
Comment ako if you want to learn more, and we conduct free webinars.
Alright. So guys, imagine, zero knowledge pero kaya. So that's why I wanna encourage you na tapusin mo tong video na to or yung Zoom na to kasi hindi malabo na kung anong naabot ni Ma'am Vine, kayang-kaya mo rin. Okay? Now, moving forward. Hala, bakit ko na, na ano? Yan. So, moving forward, ito yung forex terminologies na at least we get to familiar. Baka kasi pagdating mo dito, magno-nosebleed ka na. So, ito lang. Narinig nyo na kanina to. Take profit, stop loss, break even means bawi ka lang, no? Money management, money management, MC, margin call. Ito yung sa mga nag-MC na or margin call. Naramdaman nyo na ba to? Nako po, shout out sa mga na margin call dyan, lalo na nung first time mo na ano ba tong margin call? Bakit nag-email sa akin bigla? Ito na yung part guys na paubos na yung capital mo kasi hindi ka lalo na pag hindi ka naglagay ng SL, hindi mo na malayan or hindi ka nag-cut loss, naku, ubos talaga. CL means cut loss, that means ikaw na mismo nag-manual close, no? Hindi ka na naghintay sa SL, ikaw na mismo nag-manual close sa ano mo sa trade mo. Okay, dami pa yan. SNR, support and resistance, SND, supply and demand. So these are the common terms, okay? All right, next. All right. Guys, ito yung mga market participants, okay? I hope you understand na sabi ko nga, 'di ba, maraming nagti-trade. And these are the four major participants in our trading journey. Number one are the retail traders, okay? Number two are the forex brokers. Number three are the institutional traders and the liquidity providers. So, sino ba to sila? Si institutional traders, guys, these are the big banks. These are the hedge funds, governments. Yes, even ang gobyerno natin nagfo-forex, okay? And they account for the 90% of the daily forex trading volume. So nasa sa 7.5 million or trillions of dollars pala, the banks are trading it. The governments are trading it. So nakikita nyo to guys, sino ba tong mga bangko na to? Familiar kayo? JP Morgan, 'di ba? Citibank. Kaya kung may mga kakilala kayo sa JP Morgan, if you're familiar, mostly they are bankers. Okay? So yan, mga Goldman Sachs, they move billions daily. Actually guys, they are called whales. Okay? So when they move, waves happen. And small fish like us, no, we feel the impact. Number two, the liquidity providers. These are the tier 1 banks, guys. Okay? Number three, okay? Number three, these are the brokers, okay? So, sa community natin, guys, by the way, we've tried a lot of brokers. I don't wanna say anything bad sa kanila, but so far, ang nag-stand out sa atin is si VT Markets. But hold on, kasi ituturo ko mamaya sa inyo kung paano nyo ma-access si VT Markets, okay? So the brokers are actually the bridge, no? Sila yung reason kung bakit nakapasok tayo sa market. Alam mo ba 'yon na it was just on the early 2000. Ibig sabihin 1990 below 1990 plus wala pang mga retail traders, but it was just because of the traders, the forex brokers na nakapasok tayo sa market. So we are truly grateful for them, okay? So sila yung guys, middleman sa market. And last but not the least, the retail traders. Sino ba tong retail traders? Ikaw, ako, tayong lahat, okay? Maliit man tayo, okay, compared sa mga institutional traders, but did you know roughly around 500 to 700 billions tayo na daily turnover trade. Ganun kalaki, no? So, napaka-grateful natin kasi for sure ang daming gusto pumasok sa forex trading. Before it happened, wala silang choice, no? Hindi sila pwede makapag-trade not unless siguro na floor trader sila sa Wall Street ganyan. But napaka-bless natin kasi ngayon kahit nasang parte ka man ng mundo, pwede mo siyang i-access, okay? But guys, imagine this, okay? Being a small player in the largest ocean, financial ocean in the world, grabe, napaka-blessing nun. But guys, remember this, with the right knowledge, even small fish like us can ride the waves of the whales. Hindi natin kukunin lahat yung trillions of dollars na yan. MJ, kahit 1 trillion lang sa akin, naku, kahit ako gusto ko yun. Pero guys, kahit kumurot lang ako, okay na sa akin yun. Okay? Can you type kurot? Huwag niyong ubusin yung pera sa market, guys. Kumurot lang tayo. Yan lang yung pinaka-goal natin. Okay? Kurot lang. Paunti-unti. Kurot lang. Patient. Kurot lang ng kurot until yung kurot mo, malaki na pala na kurot. Di ba? So, ayan. So, eto pa. Okay? Ayan. 4 types of traders. Okay. So guys, dito you get to actually understand kung saan ka na belong. Okay? Right after this, I'm gonna ask you kung alin ka dito, ano yung trading style na gusto mo. Okay? Si scalper or scalping, no? Ultra short term yung pag-hold niya ng trades. Mostly around 5 to 10 pips. So it requires speed and focus. Okay? Now, usually, seconds to minutes. Totoo ba yan? Yes. What we do guys, usually pinakamataas na yung 15 minutes pag nagtitrade tayo. So, ibig sabihin ba, hindi kailangan whole day ako sa market, whole day ako, 24 hours ako nakatutok sa cellphone or sa laptop ko para lang mag-monitor? Yes, you don't need it kung scalper ka. So, kung meron kang 15 to 20 minutes a day to trade, then this is very perfect for you. Okay? Kasi kung nasa trabaho ka, after your work, pwede kang mag-trade. Okay? Or before your work, pwede kang mag-trade. Okay? Kasi 24/5 naman open ang market. So, anytime, pag may at least 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes makukumit mo to trade, this is perfect for you. Okay? Number 2, day traders. Usually guys, they open and close positions within the same day. So mostly sa kanila, hindi sila nag-o-overnight risk. Okay? They focus on intraday moves. So mostly discipline and daily screen time needed talaga to. So eto sila guys, talagang full time. Parang nagtatrabaho, nakatutok talaga sa chart. Number 3, swing traders. Okay, they hold positions for days to weeks, so they just catch the swings. So most of them, they usually close their trades by the end of the week. Okay, so usually 1 to 2 trades, hahayaan lang nila yan kasi nakakalculate na yung trade nila. And number 4, position trading. So trades that last 2 months, even years. Okay, but dito guys, usually ang andito is mga big banks, institutional traders, because this requires patience, strong conviction, and very, very, very big capital. Okay? Usually, kung may mga movement like gera, dun pumapaldo yung mga mga position trading. Okay? Kasi matagal silang nag-hold ng trades but kailangan ng malaking capital talaga dyan. Now, sa tingin nyo, saan kayo nabilong dito? Saan ba kayo nabilong? Sa scalper, day trader, position trader, or swing trader? Okay, marami sa inyo, scalper ah. Ayan, why not, 'di ba? You can maybe start with being a scalper, then you do swing trading or day trading. Nothing wrong with that. Okay? So, next, ito pala yung time, no, na nagte-trade tayo sa market. But this is on the Philippine time already, ha. We have 4 sessions. We have the Tokyo from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. We have the London, we have the 3 p.m. to 12 midnight, and we have the US session 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. But actually, we missed something dito. Meron pa tayong Sydney session or Australian session from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. guys. So, most likely, ano ba yung best time mag-trade? Okay? This is the typical question ng mga bago. Ano ba yung best time? Mostly guys, ang pinakamaganda dyan is yung overlap. Diyan yung magagandang movement. Yun yung sasabayan natin, yung movement na maganda. Okay? Hindi yung ganyan lang, maliit lang, di ba? Walang masyadong volume. Usually kasi sa overlap nangyayari ang volume. So ano ba yung overlap? Kunwari, si London is at 3 p.m. to 12 midnight. Pagpapasok na si US session by around 8 to 9 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. max, dyan nangyayari yung magandang movement. Nung pagpasok ng ibang session. So, that's what I'm referring to as overlap. Okay? So, I hope that is clear with you guys. Okay? Manonotice nyo na din naman yan pag magte-trade kayo, makita nyo yan yung movement ng market once mag-overlap na. Okay? Now, what do we trade? No, meron tayong currencies, commodities. Sa currencies, guys, this is mostly the heart of the market. So merong mga Euro USD, Euro USD, GPB, GPY. So yan, currencies talaga mostly, no? Now, commodities, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo. We do not limit only in currencies sa forex. We also trade tangible goods like gold, silver, oil. Kaya nga nung nagkakagulo na lahat sa oil, dami ding pumaldo doon, 'di ba? Ako, sunog. Sunog ako sa oil that time, guys, kasi nag-explore ako na-hype ako sa 'di ba? Emotion. Ako, guys, aminado ako diyan na I opened Brent crude oil at that time kasi ramdam ko talaga, pero hindi kasi kailangan mo talagang i-learn every pair, every asset, iba-iba yung movement niya. Generally, maiintindihan mo na paakyat yan, pero it doesn't end there, okay? Hindi pwede na general knowledge lang yung sa trading, guys. Kailangan talaga alam mo yung movement ng every asset. Like kung gold, iba yung movement diyan. Pag index, pag US 30 is an index, kailangan mong maintindihan na iba talaga din yan. Okay? Si stocks, meron din tayo dyan. Si crypto, yes, meron din tayo dyan. Okay, open po si crypto 24/7. But these are crypto paired with currencies. Okay, so marami siyang options. Ayan din sa So, let's proceed with currency pairs. Okay, so dito guys, you need to understand na dalawa. Okay, hindi pwede isa lang, no? Naka-spot ka lang pag isa. Pero dito guys, sa Euro USD, may tinatawag tayo na base currency and quote currency. Okay? So, nasa explanation na naman siguro, no? This is the currency you are buying when you trade the forex pair. And yung isa, ginagamit mo naman pang selling when you trade the forex pair. Okay? Parang ganito, guys. Okay? Si USD at si Euro at si USD, pag maganda yung nangyayari with Euro, ang market umaakyat. Okay? Pag hindi maganda ang nangyayari kay Euro at mas stronger yung economy ni USD, bumababa. Kunwari, PHP USD. So ngayon, mahina yung ekonomiya natin. Okay? Tapos, maganda si USD. Mas, anong mangyari dyan? Makikita yun nung movement ng market. Okay? So, same thing with gold. Diba? Pag may mga giyera, typically tumataas si gold. Kasi humihina ang trust factor ng mga investors or traders or mga buyers sa USD or sa currency. Kasi pag currency kasi guys, unstable yung pag may gera. Pero si gold, that is what we call the safe haven. Okay? Si gold kasi hindi masyadong affected pag may mga gera. So maganda yung pasok ng mga ng ng trades when it comes to gold. So nangyayari diyan pag may mga gera, tumataas si gold, bumababa si USD. So ang nangyayari, makikita niyo sa chart umaakyat. Okay? Pero pag lumakas na naman si US 30 ngayon, gumaganda na naman takbo niya, okay? Si gold na naman yung bumababa. Okay? So ang mangyayari diyan, ang makikita niyo sa chart is bumababa. Okay? So I hope that is clear. Okay? So dito guys, makikita nyo, this is a trading view guys. So isa din yan sa ginagamit natin. No? So this is the euro, this is the quote currency. Usually guys, that is equal to 1. 1 base currency is equal to the quote currency. Okay? So yung makikita nyo sa gilid, ito yung mga price. Ito yan, si quote currency. Sample lang to guys ha, ito yung price. Okay? Moving forward, si bid price, ask price. Ayan, at least familiar lang kayo guys. Si bid price is the highest price that the buyer is willing to pay for a currency. And the ask price is the lowest price a seller is willing to accept that currency. Okay? Ito din, spread. We need to understand that a healthy spread from a great broker is good. No? So, dito kumikita si broker guys. Yung difference ng selling and buying. Ang maganda dito kasi guys, pag maganda, competitive yung spread mo, hindi masyadong, yung trade mo is almost, how do I say this, accurately executed by the broker. So, maganda yun is, good thing with BT Markets, very competitive yung spread niya. Okay? So, yan yung in-between ng buys and sells sa currency pair. Okay? Pwede bang mawala si spread? Hindi po, kasi this is where the brokers earn. And just like what I told you, sila yung middleman natin. Okay? I'm almost done. Bear with me. I'm almost done. I-announce na natin kung paano maka-avail kayo or manalo kayo ng iPhone 17 Pro Max and the BYD seal. Okay? Si leverage pala guys, this is a double-edged sword. Okay? Si leverage kasi, it gives you a chance, lalo na sa mga brokers, this is a feature of the broker wherein you can multiply your capital. So, kunwari, your startup capital is $100. Yes, $100. Hindi kailangan ng $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. But that is good. No? The more malaki yung capital mo, okay din yan. Pero you can start for as low as $100 sa forex trading. Okay? So, kung may leverage ka and naka-leverage siya to 400:1, that means allowed ni broker na i-multiply yung capital mo. So, your trading power will be at $40,000 na this time. However, pag nagkamali ka sa trade mo, yun lang din yung risk. So, always be careful with your leverage. So, basically, kung nasa $500 below ka, 100 na leverage is good. 500 to 100 is good. Okay? So, pag 1,000 pataas naman, okay lang din si 100 to 500 na leverage. Okay? So, depende yan sa risk appetite mo. Maganda makompute mo. Okay? Now, next. Ito na, discuss na natin to kanina pala. So, eto guys, TPSL, yes, yan. So, makikita nyo din to later on guys, the margin, the balance, equity. Si balance, yan po yung total money natin. Okay? Including yung open trades. Okay? Kabuuang pera mo, hindi pa kasama yung excluding, hindi pa kasama dun yung open trade mo. Si equity naman, kasama na dito yung balance, plus or minus your current open profit or loss. Tsaka kasama na din dyan yung mga credit bonus mo. So sa mga andito, nako, take note, meron pa tayong 100% credit bonus once you start your first deposit. So take advantage yan guys para malaki yung margin level nyo. Dito naman si margin level, ito pinaka-importante kasi dito nagbe-base yung margin call. Pag below 100 na yan, kabahan ka na. So make sure that you have a healthy margin level. Okay? Now, ito pa. I'm almost done. Konting-konti na lang matatapos na ako, guys. A pip, okay? How do you measure? Kasi yun yung curiosity ko dati. Paano ba yan? Pag may mga term pa ako dati, pagpupusta ba ako ng 50 pesos, mananalo ba ako ng 50 pesos? 'Di ba? Sugarol ka eh, 'di ba? Yun yung iniisip mo. Pag 100 pesos ba, 100 pesos na ba or times 2 ba yung pwede kong mapanalunan, 'di ba? May mga ganun tayo eh. Sino dito makaka-relate? Type number 1. 'Di ba? Yung wala ka pa talagang idea, no? Kung 1,000 ba yung ipupusta ko diyan, 1,000 din ba yung mapapanalunan ko? Guys, I hope you understand that that's a forex trading, we are measuring it through pip, okay? Or other term for it is percentage in point. So every movement niyan, diyan nakakalculate yung possible profit mo, okay? They are actually the fundamentals to calculating everything sa trades natin. Okay? Mamaya I'll give you a perfect example. All right? So, dito guys, meron siyang places. Okay? So, math na tayo konti dito. Madali lang to. Okay? So, basically, may kita nyo, you see the prices, di ba? The number sa gilid. Kita nyo to? Yan yung prices. Okay? So, how do we measure? Okay? So, focus on the first 5 numbers. Can you comment 5? 5? 5. Can you comment 5? Focus on the first 5 numbers. Okay? First 5. So, 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito munang last. Huwag nyo munang pansinin to kasi medyo, ano lang to, panglito lang, si pipet. Okay? So, we call this, ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang pinakaunang numero sa pinaka-right is what we call 1 pip. Okay? Ones place. Ito si tens place ang pangalawa, 100s place, 1000s place, and 10,000s place. Okay? So again, ulitin ko ha. Ones place, 1 pip. Tens place, 10 pips dito. 100s, 1,000, and 10,000. Okay. Now, ulitin natin. Kung ito ay 1 pips, anong mangyayari? 1 times 6, that means 6 pips. Dito is, ano ulit to? Tens place. So, 4 times 10, that's 40 pips. 9 times 100, 100's place, 900. Dito, 1,000. 1 times 1,000, that's 1,000 pips. And 10,000 place. Okay, so 1 times 10,000, that's 10,000. Okay, eto na. I wanna challenge you, yung compute natin to. Sige nga, from this price going to this price, 3 answers. First, to get the 3 answers correctly, after the dash, I'll give at least 300 Gcash. Sige nga, 300 Gcash. Sagutin natin to, i-compute nyo. Tatlong sagot guys, tatlong sagot. Tatlo dito. Hindi lang isa. Sabay-sabay nyo i-send. Ito sa first, ito sa pangalawa, ito sa pangatlo. Sige nga. Sige. Yan. First sabi ni Sir Denzi. Pakita ko, correct me if I'm wrong, Coach Marge. Si Sir Denzi Copon ang first. Pa-screenshot na lang ako. Okay. Sabi dito ni Sir Adrian, 10, 207, 7. Tatlong answer guys. Tatlong answer. Keep the comments coming in. Let's see. Are you ready? Sige nga. Okay. Ayan. So, for those who get it, congratulations. Lalong-lalo na for Sir Denzi, you get 300 pesos. Just message here. I-message nyo po dito si Coach Marge. Just search for the Marjorie Gabutan. I-chat mo siya dito sa Zoom para mabigay niya yung panalo mo. So, again guys, alright, thank you so much sa pag-answer nyo. So, dito may kita nyo, ones place, 5, and 7. So, 15. Okay? So, kaltas mo lang yan. 75 minus 60, that's 15 pips. Dito, nasa 100s place, ang nag-differ, naging 200 siya. Kasi 2 ang nag-move. So, from 5 to 7, 2 times 100, that's 200 pips. And dito is dito sa 1 pips, 0 to 7, that means 7 pips. Are we clear? Wow, natututo na kayo guys ha. Congratulations. Congratulations sa lahat mga nag-comment dyan. Ang bilis. Wow. Alright. Now, for the basic calculation of the lot sizes guys. So, dalawa yan. Pips and lot size. Dito na, makukompute na tayo ng profit maya-maya. Dito guys, sa standard lot, let's just say XEU, no, sa gold. Sa one lot, that means every movement niyan is $10. Sa mini lot is $1. 0.1 is $1, 0.01 is $0.10. So, be very careful. Iba-ibang asset, iba-ibang lot sizing, iba't ibang computation at calculation yan. Okay? So, make sure again, if nasa below 500 yung sa inyo, lalo na pag gold, 0.01 lang muna. Okay? Maliit lang muna. Huwag nyo munang bilisan. Okay? So, again, every movement niyan ng lot size is pera. Okay? So, ito siya. Tulungan nyo ako, guys. If this is the original price and this is the lot size and ito yung new price, magkano? Sige nga, i-compute natin how many pips and how much is the profit. Dalawa yung sagot. Wala na tayong GCash dito guys kasi mamaya mamimigay pa tayo ng iPhone 17. Dalawang sagot. Kung eto'y kanina kasi pinakita ko niyo yung computation ng pips. Pero para makita natin yung profit, kailangan nating i-multiply ito. Okay? Sa lot size. So, ilan pips tapos ilan yung lot size, dyan yung mako-compute. Sige nga. Dalawang sagot. Yes, no? Ito siya. From dito to dito, 45 pips. Pero sabi ko nga, meron tayong tinatawag na lot sizes. Standard lot is 1. So, 45 pips times 1 yung lot size mo, that's gonna be around $450. Okay? Nagigets na? Nagigets? Are we learning? Are we learning, guys? Wow, sobrang proud ako sa inyo. Natututo na tayong lahat dito, ah. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, now, guys. Wait lang. Ang daming magtatanong dito, no? MJ, ano ba talaga yung ginagawa nyo, no? Ito pa lang natututo na kayo eh. Can you type learning? Can you type learning if you are learning? Ayan. Thank you so much, no, sa mga nagko-comment diyan. Now, I want you to understand this. Okay? Bakit maraming Filipino na hindi sila nag-start ng forex trading? Why most Filipinos never start forex trading? Bakit hindi natin to na-access? No, bakit hindi natin to alam? Kung ganun lang pala kadali, no? Kasi natututo na kayo eh. Imagine ha, free pa to, libre pa lang to. Paano kung alam nyo na talaga, guided na kayo step by step every part of the way, 'di ba? Number 1 guys, mahirap aralin. Number 2, napupunta sa scammers. Number 3, mahal ang courses. Okay? Now, I have to be honest with you. Dati, I have a fear, no? Ay, bobo ako sa math. Ay, hindi ko alam yung mga ganyan. Ay, hindi ako techie. 'Di ba? Para sa akin, ang hirap aralin. Now, sa tingin nyo, mahirap ba siya? Probably if hindi mo susubukan. Pero I cannot blame you as well. Kasi marami ding nagtuturo na pahirapan yung pag-intindi, 'di ba? Hindi may iba kasi na magaling sila sa trading, sa sobrang talino nila, hindi nila na-explain sa mga baguhan at hindi nila nararamdaman sa kung ano yung nararamdaman din ng mga baguhan. May mga ganun kayo na tipo, yung mga teacher na matatalino pero hindi sila marunong mag-explain sa estudyante nila sa sobrang talino nila. Naka-experience ba kayo ng ganun? 'Di ba? Number 2, ang mahirap na pupunta tayo sa scammers, ang dami din kasi. And last but not the least, I want you to understand, maraming nag-o-offer about forex trading but we do not have the access Bakit mayayaman lang din ang nakakaalam nito? Ako na-inspire ako sobra kay Sir Kiko kasi almost the same kami ng story, eh, na nakikita din niyan yung mga katulad nila Small Laude, yung husband ni Small Laude, si Phil, 'di ba? Si Phil, nakasama yung mga anak nila na kahit saan sila nagpupunta may dala-dalang laptop kasi nag-trade sila. Bakit sila lang yung may alam? Bakit sila lang yung may access? Kasi sila lang din yung nakaka-afford sa um, ganitong mga courses or ganitong pagkakakitaan. Okay? Because you know what, when I went to Dubai last time, nasa 3 million pesos yung course to learn this. Imagine that. I think around 2018, 2019, I also encountered a course at around 200,000 pesos. Imagine. Tapos, 1 week lang yun, pupunta ka pa ng BGC. Sobrang mahal. 'Di ba? But, guys, hold on, no? May chance pa tayo. And I just want to share this with you kasi isa din to sa reason, excuse me, kung bakit ako na-inspire sobra sa community na to. Okay lang ba mag-share ako sa inyo? Kasi lahat ng to nawala nung nakita ko yung community na to. Parang nabuhayan ako ng chance na ma-deliver or magawa ko yung mission ko na maraming matuto sa trading. Okay? Kasi number one, ang galing lang ni Coach Nars. By the way, I'd like to honor the founder of Pinoy Traders Community, Coach Nars. Palakpakan naman natin yan, guys. Can I see clap comments dyan? Okay? Bakit, guys? Number one, pinadali ni Coach Nars sa lahat ng zero idea, zero knowledge kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa trading. Number two, we are a very, very legit community. Hindi nga tayo tumatanggap ng investment. Sa mga andito ha, please avoid accounts na sinasabi kami sila tapos nagpapa-invest. Hindi po kami tumatanggap dito ng investment. Big no-no po yan sa amin. Wala tayong pasabay trading dito. And last but not the least, you need to understand na education is the best investment sa community natin. When he told me, sabi niya, MJ, alam mo, sobrang mahal, pero hindi ko din kayang ibigay ng libre. Kasi I've worked hard for this, ang dami kong dinaanan para lang matutunan ko to, ang daming nawala sa akin, I need to get value. But you know what, guys? Sobrang affordable lang nito. And that's one thing I want to share with you. Kasi nga, sabi ko, alam ko yan, ang daming mga courses right now, even online, you probably some of you have met this, ang dami from this galing dito na andito na sa community natin right now. Kasi imagine nasa 90,000 magbabayad ka pa ng monthly na around 5,000. Imaginein mo yan. Pero dito guys, I wanted to share with you our cheat codes. Ang maganda dito guys, structured at guided na yung trading journey mo. Hindi ka na magre-research sa YouTube, hindi ka na manghuhula, hindi ka na malilito sa journey mo. Kasi bakit? Meron na tayong cheat codes. And the good thing is, kaya mo ba? Yes. I want to encourage you na meron tayong 67 years old na right now na trader by the name of Sir Eman. Imagine, retired na siya na engineer pero kaya niya pang gawin ito. Sa simula guys, hindi pa to marunong mag-open ng MT5, ng, ng demo account, ganyan. Pero right now, sobrang nakaka-amaze kasi talagang natuto siya sa community natin. Kaya, hindi basehan yung edad mo right now, hindi basehan yung talino mo right now. Ang basehan dito is willing ka ba at open ka pa bang matuto. And guys, sa cheat codes natin, hindi lang ako, marami pa tayong natulungan sa community dahil sa cheat codes natin. Hindi ako guys ha, again, the cheat codes are helping us. Even si Sir Ace, no? Eto guys, imagine nyo, in just 1 day income niya, kumita lang naman siya ng around 400,000 pesos. And I want you to hear his story kung paano niya na-maximize ang cheat codes natin dito
So,
sa
ibig
community.
sabihin, sir, yung $1,000 mo naging $25.
25,000.
25,000 po.
That is $25,000 in 1 month. And
Yes po.
magkano po yung total profit niyo right now, sir, if you don't mind? Sa ilang buwan niyo po dito sa community natin?
Sa magto 2 months pa lang po ako this coming September 7 to be exact. Last Thursday, nag-withdraw po uli ako, and then the total na-withdraw na po sa account po is $44,000.
Wow, that's around, magkano po yan sa Philippine peso right now? It's around 44,000. Grabe na, nagagad.
Nasa 2 million plus.
Ngayon eh. So it's around 2.5 million. Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako sa nag-aabang. Ito po ako. Pero
Magkano?
Parang hindi siya na-clear, sir. Grabe. Yung iba dito, guys. Okay, bawal ang screenshot. Dito, guys, kinakailangan tayo ni Sir
ayan
Sis.
po ang aking withdrawals. May mga withdrawals po ako. Ayan po, $10,000, $2,000, $7,000. Withdrawals po yan.
Wow! Grabe!
Hindi po sa pagyayabang, withdrawals po. At very thankful din po ako lalo din sa kay Miss In.
Yes.
From VT Markets.
Sa Vita Markets. Opo, sa Vita Markets.
Yan napakaganda ng pagod. Para sa inyo din po, Coach Mars, kay Coach MJ. Talagang
Good, sir.
helpful, talagang napaka-thankful.
Ayan guys, grabe no. Na-maximize lang ni Sir Ace ang cheat code natin. Question is, magkano sa tingin nyo ang binayaran ni Sir Ace just to learn this skill? Na in just few months time, kumita siya ng ganun kalaki. Can you give me at least an idea how much? Sa tingin nyo? Actually guys, sabi ko, kahit siguro 25,000 yan or 30,000, 40,000, okay lang, 'di ba? Maybe 100k, yes. Kasi imagine mo, kumita lang naman siya ng 2 million, 'di ba? Guys, dahil yan sa Hero 30-day challenge natin. And again, if you are serious in leveling up your trading journey, you need to understand that the best investment you can give to yourself, lalong-lalo na this 2026, is to at least spend something for yourself. Actually guys, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Hindi siya $600. Hindi siya $198. Good news, kasi up until today na lang talaga to guys ha. Bukas wag nyo na akong sisihin kung mag-i-increase pa to. Up until today, we're gonna give at least 50% off sa lahat ng magko-comment at mag-e-enroll today. Sa lahat ng mag-e-enroll today, you will only pay $99. Okay? Sa lahat ng andyan, guys, actually si Sir Ace, pumasok siya, he paid around 9,000 to 10,000 at that time. So ngayon, napakaswerte mo. Correct me if I'm wrong, Coach Marge, di ba? Nasa around 9 to 10,000 yung binayaran ni Sir Ace that time. Pero kayo ngayon, nasa $99 lang, which is sabihin ko na sa inyo guys, nasa 5,700 pesos lang yung babayaran nyo. If mag-e-enroll kayo today, can I see comment, join, or enroll sa mga andyan na mag-a-avail today? Kasi I just wanna make sure na hindi tayo mapapahiya ni Coach Nars kasi sobrang kulit namin guys. Coach, please, wagbigyan mo na kami para marami pa tayong maka-enroll. And guys, sa lahat ng nag-comment dyan, we will screenshot that kasi kayo lang yung ipapa 50% off natin. Sa mga committed lang ha, hindi po kami nangungumbinsi dito. Sumali man kayo o hindi, kumikita na po kami sa community. Nag-e-enjoy na kami sa community right now. But we just want you to take advantage of this. You're just gonna pay 5,700 for everything guys, no? Sa lahat ng nasa community. Ano ba yung makukuha nyo dyan? Meron tayong smart move indicator wherein it's lifetime access na din guys, no? Meron ng mga buy and sell trade ideas. Meron tayong surefire signal. Meron tayong live trading every single day. Nako, isa to sa pinaka nag-e-enjoy tayong lahat. And ang pinakamaganda dyan guys is andun na yung strategy na sinabi ni Ma'am Vine, sinabi ni Sir Ace, wherein it's the XAU sniper. Ang good news is, let me tell you the good news. Itong iba dito, magtatampo sa akin eh. Lahat ng mag-e-enroll today, meron na kayong website sa Hero 30. Okay? Sa lahat ng mag-e-enroll today, meron na kayong mga website sa Hero 30 nyo. Kasi guys, just want to let you know, yung mga nag-enroll na dati na medyo mas mahal sila, nagtatampo sila sa amin ngayon kasi bakit daw wala silang website. Guys, pasensya na, no? We're just following instructions here, but I know na natuto naman kayo doon. So sa lahat ng mag-e-enroll today, good news kasi may website na kayo to access everything, and also good news kasi meron ka ng 1 raffle coupon for this June na raffle. Naku, sino dito gusto ng mga iPhone 17 Pro Max? Can you comment mine? Meron ka ng pa-raffle coupon this June and another raffle coupon this coming December for your BYD Seal 5. Naku po, grabe. Nag-enroll ka lang, natuto ka lang, plus meron ka pang iPhone and BYD Seal. And that's just gonna do today, guys, ha. So today is Saturday. So habol na kayo, guys. Sayang naman yung opportunity natin. And also, guys, assignment ko na sa inyo. Please create your demo account and get the links from the video instruction sa mga coaches, okay? Kung gusto nyong mag-enroll, huwag kayong mag-message sa akin. I-message nyo yung coach na assign sa inyo. I-message nyo yung tao or yung page na kausap nyo right now. Sa lahat ng magme-message sa akin, hindi ko po kayo mai-entertain kasi alam ko po sino yung naka-assign sa amin. Okay? May assignment, may mga naka-assign coach tayo guys kasi sa sobrang dami nyo, hindi namin kayo maisa-isa and you want to give an excellent service to everyone. So stick to the assigned coach na kausap mo ngayon kasi bawal po yung hahanap-hanap ka ng iba kasi may naka-assign na po sa inyo. Okay? So ang assignment nyo right now, mag-enroll ka. Pangalawa, mag-create ka ng demo account mo and maka-create mo yan kasi ibibigay yan ng coach na naka-assign sa'yo. Now, if wala pa akong pang-enroll, gagawin ko pa din ba to? Yes. Kung wala ka pang pang-enroll, okay lang, naiintindihan namin yan. Just still do the assignment because tomorrow, we're gonna talk about trading na talaga, execution na talaga, which is ang platform natin is MetaTrader 5 and VT Markets as our broker. All right?
Nandito lang.
Guys, I'm done. Okay? Just want to encourage everyone here that words may inspire but only action creates change. Alam ko, ang gusto natin, mabago yung 2026 natin. Okay? Ang daming gusto kumita, pumaldo, 'di ba? Kumurot. Pero kung hanggang motivation ka lang, wala ka pa ding action, kasi nagtitipid ka, kasi nag-hold back ka sa pera, guys, you need to understand, for you to earn money, you need to invest money. Okay? So I encourage you everyone to still do your assignment. Congratulations sa mag-grab ng enrollment today kasi naka 50% off kayo. That's the wisest you can do this day and this year na makakatipid pa kayo guys. And kita-kits bukas kasi exciting yung speaker natin bukas, isa sa pinakamagaling na trader sa community natin. So kita-kits guys, maraming salamat po. Salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much everyone. Picture muna tayo guys. Can we take a photo? Can you turn on your cameras? Turn on your cameras guys para makita namin kayo. And if you feel like you learned something tonight, feel free to comment or send a message, a thank you message sa mga GC natin. Alright? So say hi guys. Hello, say hi. Ayan, dami natin today. Wow. Ito yung standing, oh. Grabe. Coach Marge, picture tayo, Coach Marge. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Grabe, ito yung standing still. Thank you so much, everyone. Ingat kayo, guys. Ingat kayo. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po.